Hi everyone. I recently upgraded my car tire inflator as I was looking for one with a digital pressure gauge and an auto cutoff feature. This one from Ceptics is such tire inflator that checks my boxes. Ceptics is a popular brand based in US, but they have a wide range of quality products sold in India too. This specific model is TI-H100 with a 100 PSI pressure rating. It has faster inflation too through 35 liters per minute air pumping. It also has an LED flashlight that you can use when you're stuck somewhere with the car in the night. A smart tire inflator feature which is basically auto cutoff of the inflator at a set pressure. It also has a backlit display for pressure and other display info. It works on DC 12 volts that you can supply to the car and takes a power of 120 watt. Some other product highlights are mentioned here. The MRP is 4,999 Indian rupees, but generally it's available on Amazon or Ceptics for under 2,500 rupees. The inflator can be used for a maximum of 15 minutes in a continuous usage, as it would get overheated, which is common in all the portable inflators. But 15 minutes is also a good amount of time to refill the tires. Ceptics, as I mentioned, is based out of US with 10 plus years of expertise and has local customer service support in India. The box contents are also mentioned over here. Let's open and find more about them. Inside the box, along with the inflator, we have the standard user manual, a card guiding about the warranty registration and support. You get a 1-year warranty with this product. Then we have different type of nozzles. There are air nozzle cones, an extra fuse for the power plug. So if at all due to overheating the fuse burns, you can change it easily. This one's a needle valve adapter, and this is another type of adapter possibly for bike usage. Lastly, an extension hose coupling. If you want the hose cable to be extended, you can attach it to the hose and use it like this. It also has quick release end connection, so it is very useful. Finally, coming to the inflator. This is a very lightweight inflator, making it very portable. Easy to hold, has 4 paddings at the bottom to hold its position during usage. The design is minimal with whole black color and yellow accents. Even though it's made of plastic, it feels premium. On the side there is a switch for inflation on and off. The top switch is for LED flashlight. The digital display is on the top with 3 buttons, 1 for the mode and 2 for increase and decrease of set pressure. The hose position could have been better. This keeps coming over the display as you can see, a slight inconvenience. The hose quality is very good though. This is my old tire inflator which is quite heavy, and the major issue was the analog gauge. I wouldn't know the exact pressure value and there's no set pressure option. Comparatively, the Ceptics one definitely feels lighter and smarter. Time to put it to use and check how fast it can fill the tire. So once we turn on the car engine, the power plug can be connected to the cigarette plug slot. It has a red LED to indicate the power. The cable, as you can see, is long enough to reach the rear tires. I have connected it to the tire and you can see the tire pressure. Just by pressing the plus and minus buttons, I can set any pressure as the inflator's cutoff limit. It will blink to indicate the set pressure. I have set it to 32 PSI. Once the inflator is started at any pressure, it reaches the set value and turns off automatically. As mentioned before, the top button toggles the LED flashlight. It is bright and would be good for night usage. The M button on the display changes the pressure units. It can be set to PSI or bar or kPa. Now for the sake of testing, I made my car tire flat. Let's see how much time it takes to inflate it back. I am putting on a stopwatch too. The inflator is sturdy even on such uneven floor. The sound from the inflator is not very loud too. It has reached 33 PSI in less than 4 minutes, which is awesome, better than what it claimed. And even after filling the tire from flat position, the inflator didn't get very hot, which is good thing because I can use it again for another tire. This inflator is definitely a must-have for all the car owners. It has all the needed features like digital display, auto cutoff, LED. I wish the hose position could have been better and slightly longer, but it has an extender which is good. I'll be using it for sure. Also for the cost, they could have added a cloth bag to keep the inflator inside the car. It's easier for safekeeping the inflator without the cable tossing around. But apart from that, I'm very happy with this product. Hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments if you have any queries. See you all in the next one.